Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we know that a lot of people hate Windows 11. We know that there's this feel of Windows 11 is not great or is bad, or it's, and it has its core at so many different levels. From the minimum requirements that frustrated a lot of people to actual problems that arrived with different updates. And in 2025, what did we learn with Windows updates in 2025? Well, what we learned is that there was a lot of issues with the Windows updates. So in 2025, the first update from January 2025, the USB DAC audio failure problem. That was one of the first problems that arrived. Webcams not detected after update KB5050009. BitLocker settings that stopped working for some reason. There was also a cursor spinning issue on Windows 11 24H2. Lots of Windows update installation failures, game crashes, remote desktop sessions that automatically disconnected on 24H2. The March update deleted the Copilot app by accident, which for a lot of people is probably a good thing. Blue screen of death failure in a Windows update. Then, of course, Windows Hello completely failed. You couldn't log in with your cam, for example. File Explorer issues. Frame rate issues on games. A false firewall error that was harmless, but everybody was talking about it, and I don't remember how many. I remember how many of you have said, hey, have you seen this in the event viewer, the error that, yeah. Reset this PC was broken at the August 2025 updates. Yeah. DRM video playback problems. Then October, that broke the localhost File Explorer preview got blocked. And localhost, which is a important feature, just crashed and didn't work. Can't reach this page, error. Task Manager that refused to quit. You would open it. Remember that one? You would just open it, go to the Task Manager, close it, and it was still there running in the list. And if you'd open 10, well, it'd be running 10 times. You had to manually close it. God. Broken dark mode, hidden password on the lock screen. You just couldn't, but it was still there and working, but you couldn't see it. Game performance problem with NVIDIA that had a little back and forth rant with Microsoft. If you remember, this was in the October and November updates. So, why do you think a lot of people are going crazy with Windows 11? I think Microsoft has a lot of, is to blame on a lot of these problems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.